Micro-design utilizes unusual shapes and aesthetic stylings combined with intelligent space awareness to come up with habitable spaces as small as 30 square meters. In the coming years, architects and contractors will take on the challenge of creating micro-spaces for home and office applications. In the future, we will see spaces and rooms serving several purposes. Dividers and sliding doors will be integral to this trend. As the industry heads to the future, we will see multi-purpose homes and offices designed for the needs of the new breed of home and office users. The last few years have seen a growth in sustainable projects that have less impact on the environment. Nowadays, we see homeowners more concerned with having a sustainable life. A Nielsen report revealed that more than 6 out of 10 people are willing to pay for products or services from companies that are environmentally conscious. Aside from being environmentally aware, today's new breed of owners has also looked for styles that will have a positive impact on their health. Several years of research, as well as changes in understanding, led to the belief that houses can have a significant impact on the overall wellness of its inhabitants. Over the years, we have also seen the number of people embracing the idea of working from home. Developers are starting to innovate designs that cater to this growing population of people whose corporate and home lives are interconnected. As people are now finding ways to reconnect with nature and the outside world whichever way they can, architects and developers must now start to design homes that will connect individuals to their interior and exterior space. Over the years, we have seen the development of a new way of living. Today, we see growth in structures that cater to a more transient lifestyle. Co-living involves several persons sharing accommodation. Co-living also allows the renters to share amenities like gyms, lounges, laundry rooms, and others. These are just some of the developments that will shape the future of the construction and architecture industry. If you like our video, please like, share and follow us on social.